Hi guys, how are you doing? Let's hope you are doing great. I want to welcome you back to our channel Learn Maths Iga Imibale. That's where we post mathematical questions involving geometry questions, integration questions, differentiation questions, and so many tricky questions. Now we have a question of this kind where we've been given if a square times b times c is 48, a times b square times c square is 72, and a times b times c square is 96. We are asked to find the value of a reciprocal of AB plus a reciprocal of AC plus a reciprocal of BC. Guys, I want to show you one trick that is here. As you see, this question is not easier for anyone to get this value, but now I'm going to show you a shortcut of how to find this value. Let's now start. Okay, let me name this one star 1, these 2 stars, and this 3 stars. As you see, if I have a star over 2 stars times 3 stars, what shall I get here? Okay, I have a square BC over this a b square times c times a b c square, and this is equal to 48 over 72 times 96. Okay, let's simplify this c and this one, this and this, to give 1. This a times this a will be a square, simplify with a square. Okay, we have, let's simplify this b and this one, this and this. I will remain with a reciprocal of b square times c square. Here is 1 over b square c square, which is, you see, simplify this and this, 48 and 96 to give 2 on denominator. Here is 2. That's why I have 1 over 72 times 2. This is 144. Okay, as you see, we have 1 over b times c altogether for 2, which is 1 over 144. Taking the square root everywhere, the square root here, the square root here, I'll be having 1 over b times c, and this is the square root of 1 is 1 by the square root of 144, which is 12. Here is 1 over b times c. Okay, let's have equation 2, 2 stars over star times 3 stars. Okay, we have 2 stars over star times 3 stars. This is to say, I have, here we have, at first you have a b square c over a square bc times equation 3 is this bc square, and this is equal to, we'll be having this 72 over 48 times 96, 48 times 96. As you see, let me simplify this a and this to give 1. Here we have this b, this c, and this one. Also, here you see b times b is b square, and here is b square. That's why this and this times this will be simplified with this. Okay, so what I have is 1 over a square times c square, and this is, here I can simplify or divide by 6 here. This by 6, this by 6, or this. Okay, this by 6 is 12, by 6 is 12 over this by 6 is 8 times 96. Okay, this is clear that we have a over a 1 over a c for 2, and this is this by this by this 12. Let's divide here 12 and here 12. Here 12 we have 1 over 8, 96 by 12, this is 8. Okay, here is 1 over AC altogether for 2. This is a reciprocal of 64. This means taking the square root here, the square root here, you have 1 over a times c. This is the square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 64, that is 8. This means a reciprocal of AC is equal to a reciprocal of 8. Okay, let's have equation 3, all 3 stars over the product of 1 star and 2 stars. Here we have 3 stars over star times, let's have 2 stars. This is to say 3 stars is here, we have ABC square over the product of this and this. Here is A squared BC times AB squared C, and this is equal to, here we have 96 over 48 times 72. 48 times 72. As you see here, this A can be simplified with this. This B can be simplified with this B. Here we have C square, and on the denominator we have C times C, that is C square. That means this C times this will be simplifying with this in order for our numerator to be 1. Here is 1 over A squared B square, which is equal to, okay, simplify this and this to have 2 here. Here by 48, here we have 2. And these 2, dividing 2 here and here, we have 36 here. This means you have 1 over 36. Okay, i.e. 1 over AB altogether for 2 is 1 over 36. You see, 1 over AB, taking the square root here, the square root here, and the square root here. This is 1 over 6. Let's hope this is clear soon. Okay, so let's come back here on what we are asked to find. Okay, a reciprocal of AB plus a reciprocal of AC plus a reciprocal of BC. Here is a reciprocal of AB is a reciprocal of 6. Here is 1 by 6 plus a reciprocal of AC. AC is here. This is 1 over 8 plus a reciprocal of BC, which is 1 by 12. This is 1 by 12. As you see here, the number which can divide or be divided by all of these numbers is 48. Let's try 48 as the common denominator. Okay, this is equal to, let's have 48 here. 48 by 6, that is 8. 48 by 8, that is plus 6, plus 48 by 12, that is 4. Okay, here is, we have 8 plus 6, that is 14, I guess. 14 plus 4, that is 18. We have 18 over 48. Okay, all of these numbers 18 and 48 are divisible by 3, or let's divide them here by 6. They are divisible by 6. Divide 6 on numerator and denominator to have 18 by 6 is 3 over 48 by 6, that is 8. Okay, as a conclusion, I just a reciprocal of AB plus a reciprocal of AC plus a reciprocal of BC. Here is 3 over 8. Here is the answer to our question, guys. Thank you for being with us. But before leaving, I want you to subscribe on our channel. Your likes, your comments, and your shares are most important. Don't forget to share our dates with your friends. And I want you to know that we have a TikTok account where we post our videos. I want you to go there and follow us. Thank you for being with us. May God be with you all the time, dear friends of our channel.